Now you have two options. You can either cut the liner to where the hinges are located, such that you can stretch the liner without the hinges blocking it, or you can unscrew the entire lid, take the hinges off, and then screw the screws back into the chest freezer by punctuating the lining. And the third option, which is the one we're going to use, is to remove the hinges completely and make the lid completely removable. And then install these handles, suction cup handles, onto the lid such that you can remove it by lifting it. To remove the hinges of the chest freezer, the first step would be to remove the enclosure or the cover made of plastic. It's kind of fragile, so you don't want to break it. Now you want to remove only the first two screws of each hinge. Remove the screw completely. Now you want to partially unscrew the bottom screws, not completely, just a little bit. So once the two screws are partially unscrewed, all the bottom screws, you can lift it, just like this. And now you can place it just like that. You have to undo these ones as well. Now you want to disconnect here. You can throw this back. And then you can cut this and install it here, which is something I'm not gonna do right now, but you get the idea. Just cut this cable. That's because we're gonna remove the entire lid off. But if you want to remove the lid off, then you can leave it connected. So now you want to remove the plastic covers of all of the hinges, the top covers, which are tricky to remove. This is actually the hardest way to do it, or one of the hardest. Maybe the hardest would be to install the hinges back and punctuate the lining. But just dealing with the hinges, as you can see, it's a bit of a pain, but it's something we always do at Box Plunge. So, whoops. Unscrew all the hinges fully from the lid. Now I want to screw them all back in. Now you want to install the handles for the lid. Just like this, like this, like this, and like this. Also remember to cut this wire over here and over here, and then reattach only this piece here, such that you cover this hole completely. And then you can open it up and set it aside. Now we can place the entire liner with ease. And it looks really nice. Fits like a glove. So now you want to set up your water pump